Hello guys, and welcome to another video in this series of Linux tutorials. In this video we are going to look at how we can change the ownership of files and directory in Linux. So let's begin. Now as you know, each file in Linux has one user owner and one group owner. Okay. For example, if I go here to the documents and do here ls of -l, then this is our user owner. Okay. User owner of this file. Okay. Similarly, this is our group owner. Okay. So for ABC file, the user owner is Wiki and the group owner is group1. Okay. Now after that, only the root user has the privilege to change the ownership of a file. Ownership includes both the things, that is the user owner and the group owner. Okay. To change it, we can use the chown command. Okay. After that, we will define the name of the new user. So let's say I want the new user to be user2. Okay. Currently I am changing the user owner. Okay. Not the group owner. Right. After that, I will write here the name of the file. Okay. So I will write here ABC. Right. And I have to write here password also. And now if you see here for file ABC, you will see the user owner has been changed to user2. Okay. Similar to that, we can also change the group owner with the chown command. For that, we can write something. Let's say sudo, then chown, then colon. Okay. And let's say the group owner I want to be group2. Okay. And the file to be ABC. Right. And if I again do, let me write here, then you will see the group owner has been changed. Okay. You can change user owner and group owner simultaneously also. For that, let me write here chown and I will run here as sudo. Okay. So in the first place, I will write the new user owner. Let's say the new user owner to be user2. Okay. And new group. Okay. Let's say new group to be group4. Okay. After that, I will define here file names. Okay. So I am writing here cds file name and file1 file name. So I can write here cds. Okay. We can give here multiple file arguments, right? And the file1. Okay. Now if you see here ls of -l, you will see here that this file1 has the group owner as group4 that we had defined here, and the user owner as user2 that also we had defined here. Similarly, cds file, if you see, the user owner is user2 now and the group owner is group4. Okay. Along with that, in the file arguments, you can also use the wildcards. For example, for the same thing, let me make the user3 as the user owner now and group4 to be the group owner. Okay. And I will write here, I will use here a wildcard that is 2 to 3. Okay. I'm using here square bracket. Now it will change the permission for the cds and for the file2 and file3. Okay. If I press enter and let me do here for cds and file1 to 2 to 3. Okay. So now if you see, the ownership has been changed successfully. Okay. So let me clear it now. Now other than that, there is the option of -r that is also very helpful. Okay. This is used when you want to change the ownership of a file or directory recursively. For example, if you see here, I do here ls of -r, then in my current working directory, we have these files and this directory. Okay. Then inside this particular directory, we have another subdirectory and other files, right? And inside this particular subdirectory, we have a one file with the name kk. Okay. If you want to see the permissions there, permissions and ownership, then you can write here -l also. Now let's say that I want to change the ownership of a file recursively. For that, I can write here sudo chown. Okay. After that, I will define here the new user, or I can firstly define here the -r option. After that, I will define the new users and group owners. Okay. So I will define here user as user5 and the new group to be, let's say, wiki. So if I define here, let me first define here dir1, and this has been done successfully. So let me do it again. Now you will see inside the dir1, okay, inside the dir1, the new user owner is user5 and the group owner is wiki. Okay. Similarly, it has done recursively. So if you see, and in this particular subdirectory, we have another file here, that is the kk file. Okay. And the ownership has been also been changed for this. Okay. After that, we have another command that can be used to change the group. Okay. That is the chgrp command. right? This command can only be used to change the group owner, okay? It cannot be used to change the user owner, right? So let me give you an example here again. So let's say we have ls-l. These were the file, and I want to change the group, so I can write here sudo and then chgroup, okay? And after that I will define here the new group. Let's say the new group to be group, let me write here group 1, okay? And then the name of the file, so I'll write here file and asterisk, okay? I'm using here wildcard. So if I press enter and if I again do it, then the group ownership of all the files and directories that are starting with the file will be changed, okay? So if you see here, these are changed, okay? And along with that, you can also use the -r option that we had seen in the chown command, okay? In the same way, you can use with the chgroup command also. So we can use chown command to change both type of ownership, that is user ownership and group ownership, and chgroup command to only change the group ownership, okay? So that's all for today, guys. I hope you like the video. If you have any doubt, please comment it down. Thanks for watching, and I have to see you in the next video.